Milwaukee's M18 mower, the lights, but let's test it down here at night. So actually doing this at night, and I don't know how hard it is to see from up on the deck there, but there's actually enough light down here where I can tell where it's enough to get the mowing done. Now, will I be able to see things that are in the lawn as I'm mowing? Probably not. But from the top there, hopefully you can kind of see that with the forward-facing LEDs and then the side LEDs, you at least can see where the lines are in your lawn. Hopefully from this perspective here, you guys can see, I mean, there is enough light to get the job done. Is it something you want to do all the time? I don't think so. Again, if you are confident that there's nothing in your yard that you're gonna run over, it's doable. You can see here a little more clear, since we're closer to the mower, you can see the lines that you've done. See that to the left-hand side. Actually, what I'm gonna do is enact a little help from the mower. I'm doing this one-handed. And that is the nice thing about the Milwaukee here, is the motor assist here. All right, let's turn it around. And I'm gonna turn that speed down just because it's a little too fast for me while I'm trying to record. So we're gonna go ahead and let the mower go. We're just kind of following behind, and you can kind of tell light-wise that is a pretty good light. All right, now we're coming up towards the camera. All right, let's take a little closer look at the lights. Here's the button up on the handle for the lights. So you click that, and what you get are the two up front, and then you've got the two side LEDs. I mean, it's enough light in your immediate vicinity to kind of see what's going on here, but as far as, you know, really getting a lot done at night, if you're confident that there's nothing in your yard, in the grass, you can absolutely get it done. The lights are nice and bright. It's definitely limited visibility, but that's not a complaint. Although I think down the road with, you know, the next iteration of the mower, you might see a little more powerful light that can shoot down just a little bit further. All right, so there's the Milwaukee M18 mower at night with the LEDs. Something that I absolutely highly recommend. This is the one that we got with the Milwaukee hack at Home Depot for $5.99. That was a few weeks ago. I've been real happy with it. It did come with the two 12 amp hour batteries, not the Forge, but you know, that would have been an even better deal. I think there was a few people that had reported to me that they did the hack and were able to get the 12 amp hour Forge batteries. So let me know if you've got the Milwaukee mower and how you like it. And if you've been putting it through its paces at night, and we'll see you on the next video. Man, going uphill. Even with the assist on, I'm breathing heavy.